When making a development, it's always important to understand what happens behind the scene. This will help you make the right decisions when you have to choose between different possibilities. You could go for feature A or feature B. Which one do you choose? Well, the one that fits your use case the most, taking into account what is going on in your system. For instance, it could be that your logic is blocking any interaction. Maybe you really want to block the interaction, so you are sure nobody can mess up your flow. Or you don't want to block it. It should still be possible to get some information. When we are going to connect to an API, we need to be aware what is happening. When is something blocked? What's going on? What's the order of the flow? So let's have a look on this flow. Don't worry with the big diagram. Let's just go through the different icons first. We have one big zone called DataMiner. This is all the stuff that's going on in DataMiner itself. We want to connect to an API, so that will be available on your network. Now, this gray zone, this is more a zoomed in view of what's happening in our process. We remember we just saw our protocol definition where we could define timers, actions, quick actions, groups, whatever. So this is what we can see over here as well. We have our timers, we have a quick action here, we have groups, we have our parameters, session, and so on. So this floor plan, that's what's going on. This is my logic running inside a protocol process. You can already determine protocol process. The purpose of this is to make sure that our logic that we define can run, and we can, of course, have multiple protocols, multiple elements active using different protocol definitions, so we can have multiple items running in one process, and we can have multiple processes. Let's just focus on one. The purpose of this SL protocol process is to make sure that our defined logic will do something in real time. What other processes can we see here? Well, you can already see the highlight. We have SL element. What's happening in SL element? The purpose is to display it. So you can really see that this will constantly have updates. It is subscribing on parameter changes, so as soon as you indicate this parameter should be made available to the outside world. How do you do that? That's Arte display true. It should be available for other processes. Well, SL element will be aware of it. And once it has a display, it can be shown on a specific page, we will get that update on our screen.